Hello everybody, in this video I want to introduce you to the Nero AI image upscaler. This tool allows you to enhance the details of any image you provide and turn them into 4K. It can upscale photos up to 400% powered by AI, which can eliminate both camera noise and JPEG compression artifacts. It also provides 6 unique models which covers most kinds of images. To get started, go on the link in my description and click download. This is going to download the installer in your computer. And once installed and logged in with your account, this is the interface you're going to be greeted with. As you see, the interface is pretty simple. We have a central area where you can upload or drag images. Once you select an image, for example, this car, the section on the right gets activated. Here you can choose local mode or online mode. This is the desktop version, so I'm using local mode. Then you can choose your model, which can be standard, photograph, anime, fast, or iris. If you look on the top right, there's a few viewing options. We have single, slider, and split. This is a way to see the before and after of your upscaling. If you see on the bottom, the original here is 640 by 358 pixels, and the final output we're expecting is 2560 by 1432 pixels, which is much better. Now, before getting started, if you want to zoom in on the picture and see the pixelation, you can zoom in right here. And if you move that box around, you can see the different sections here. For example, if I zoom in all the way to say 600%, and then I can go on to the wheel to see the pixelation here. Now this way you can see what parts of the image need work. Now if you look on the left, we have an option to drag more images if you want, and this one is actually not selected. So I'm going to go ahead and browse an image that I have that I want to upscale. For example, this image of this smiling lady, I'm going to add that right here. And I also want to add this animated version of Mr. Bean. Now, after the images have been added, you can select multiple images and start their processing at the same time. But since my images are two different kinds, I'm going to do them separately. Let's start with this lady. Click on her right here. I'm going to change my view to a slider. And if I move around, you'll see the original image is 566 by 348, which is pretty low quality. And the final is expected to be 2264 by 1392, which is much better. Now, when I'm ready, I'm going to go ahead and click Start Processing. The speed of this depends on your computer. Alright, our upscaling is done and the image looks quite a lot better than what I provided. Now, as you see when I move around the image on the left has quite a lot more pixelation than the right one. You see how the shoulder on the right image is a lot more smoother, and here it looks a lot more hazy. This is pure AI at action. AI has filled in all the details that's missing in the original image. And if I zoom out all the way, you'll see how much better the image quality came out. And if I change the view to the slider mode and zoom in to, say, to 50%, you see how on the left side you can barely see her eyeballs, but on the right one, you can see it pretty clearly. All right, now let's work on the other image. So we have this image of Mr. Bean, and let's make it a slider again. Here, the original image is 544 by 342 pixels, which is pretty small, and the output is expected to be 2176 by 1368 pixels, which is much better. So if I zoom in a little, you'll see the pixelation on his eyes and his face. But the upscaling will make that better instantly. So I'm going to select that image, and for this one, as you see, it auto-selected the anime model. This is really good for illustrations, paintings, anime, and cartoons. I'm going to keep it at 4x and click Start Processing. Now, if you look closely, you can see the magic happening in real time. And just in a few seconds, our upscaling is done. Let's take a look at the final result. So we have this original image. Let me zoom in a little bit more for effect. So I'm going to make it 250%. And as you see here, we have pixelation on this truck Mr. Bean is holding. We have the eyeballs and the ears, all of which are pretty pixelated. And now let's look at the upscale version of this. Wow, that is perfect. That is as good as I had expected it to be. So let's look at it much closer. So let's zoom in even more. So this is that image zoomed in to almost 1000%. And if we look at all the different parts of that image, we have his hat, we have his ears, we have that truck. Every single detail here has been filled in by Nero's AI image upscaler. Now, if you're happy with the upscale, you can just click Save Image on the bottom right and click Save. Alright, that's all I have for you. I would like to thank Nero for sponsoring this video. I think this is a must-have tool to have if you're a graphic designer or blogger or you work with an online store. I hope this video gave you a good idea of how to use this tool. If you did enjoy it, make sure to click like on this video and subscribe to my channel. I have a lot more videos coming up. Till the next one, thank you so much.